Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to saute some broccoli, and then with a pot of it, we're going to make cheese broccoli. Okay? All right, let's do it. So I have just a little, as you can see that way down there, a little grapeseed oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Okay? Okay, and that's heating up. Then what I have here that I'm going to add to it is one green pepper chopped up very fine. I put mine in the food processor, and one clove of garlic right here. You see that? Okay. So I'm just going to put a piece in to test. Yep, it's hot. Okay. So I'm going to cook the green pepper first, and then I'll add the broccoli. If the green pepper takes up all of your oil and you have none left, you can add a drop, okay? So I added about 5 tablespoons originally. Let's add a couple more. Okay. Okay, that's been cooking for about 2 minutes, I'd say. Okay, now we're going to add the broccoli. This is 2 bunches of broccoli. Okay, and I cut it up to this size. Little flowers. Okay? Alright, let's drop that in. We're going to put some grapeseed oil on top of the broccoli. About another 3 tablespoons. Now let's add some seasoning. I'm going to add some Larry seasoning salt. And some black pepper. Okay, now we're going to stir fry that. Okay, so now I'm going to add about 5 tablespoons of water, just enough to make some steam. You're not even covering the whole bottom, just enough to make steam. Okay, now we're going to put the top on and let that steam. Okay, so let me get a word of the day. The word of the day is, it is hot. We are having a heat wave, they said. And I'm in Massachusetts, and it has been very hot, over 85 for days. And, you know, how do you get cool? What do you do? Well, for me, I stayed inside, okay? And I went out in the evening. That seemed to help. Other things that you could do is you can go to the sprinkler system somewhere in a park or to the beach, or maybe you have you can have company over and you guys can just sit down and do nothing but watch TV inside. Okay, have cold cuts for dinner or pizza or something like that, where you don't have to turn on the stove or the oven and get the house even hotter. Okay, so the word of the day is try to keep cool. Try some of those things. Okay, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. That's very important, hitting the like button. Okay, share the video and comment. Let me know how you like it or what you want me to cook next. Okay, and I did a Q&A the other day on being married or living as a couple or partners, and I want your feedback on that. So please go over and watch those two videos and give me your feedback so that I can do a Q&A and I'll call you out on it. Okay, all right, great. Let's get back to our broccoli, our sauteed broccoli. Yeah. You see how that little bit of water made steam? Oh, that works for me. You don't want broccoli where it's turning like a dull green color. You want it a nice bright color. So let me pick up some and show you what I'm talking about. See the bright green color? That's the color you want. When you see that, it's done. You don't have to cook it anymore. So I'm going to cut that off. And now I told you I was going to show you how to make cheese broccoli, right? Okay. You can either add the cheese to the whole thing if you like, or let's say you just want enough cheese broccoli for you. Okay, you can put the broccoli in a bowl separately. Then we're going to add cheese to that and put it in a microwave on a minute. And I'll be back once that's done. Okay, I put the cheese on it. I wanted to show you that before I put it in the microwave. And now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, this is cheddar cheese. Okay, here we go. Cheese broccoli. You see that? How about that, huh? Let me get in the picture. I'll try to get in the picture. Cheese broccoli. Okay? There you go. As easy as that. Okay? Alright. So everybody in the house may not like cheese, so you can just put it in separate bowls and put the cheese on it like I showed you, and you have it. And anybody else who don't want cheese can have the broccoli as we made it. So let me give it a taste. I'm going to taste the cheese broccoli. Wow, let's give it a taste. Don't that look good? Mmm. Delicious. 1 second. Okay, I'm sorry. I was choking and I had a sneeze. Okay, that was really, really good. So you have got to try your cheese broccoli. Okay. Alright, until next time, hit the like button if you like it, share the video, subscribe if this is the first time on this channel, and until next time, I'll see you soon, okay? Let somebody else know. Alright, bye.